Okay.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning to all.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, sir.
Morning,
Good
sir.
morning. Okay. Only 16 participants. Okay. Tarun, switch on your video. All of you. Amruta, not Ashish, Kirtana, Anish, Suhan. Okay, switch on your video. Okay. Once again, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Okay.
Good morning,
Yesterday, yesterday we did some of the problems. Means the concept is the graph of a linear equations in two variables. Yes, how many problems are over? How many problems we did?
Bye.
My voice is audible now. Is clear? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. How many problems are over yesterday? 2 or 3?
Sir, 2.
Only 2 problems now. Graphs of linear equations. Okay. And we did only 2 problems. Yes. And also I gave some homework problems. Okay. How many problems? 4 problems I given. Okay. You can work out in your home. Okay. Solve ಮಾಡಿದಿರಲ್ಲ? Everyone solved the problems?
Yes, sir.
Everyone?
Yes, sir.
4 graphs, they are very important. Okay. As for your examination or in maybe any test, okay, you will get one graph problem, okay, for 3 marks. Okay, compulsory question. Okay, so that you learn well. Okay, right. The next problem. Okay, another type of problems. Okay, right. Write it. Given the point 1, 2.
The point
Given
1.
1, 2, find the equation of a line. Find the equation of a line on which it lies LIES, it lies, full stop. In the next sentence, how many such equations are there? How many such equations are there? Madan, switch on your video. Madan, Nivedita, Rashmi, Suhan, Tarun. Who is that Tarun? Okay. See, the problem is given the point 1, 2, find the equation of a line on which it lies. Full stop. How many such equations are there? Okay, listen carefully. In the previous problems, okay, in previous problems means x plus 2y is equal to 6, like that, and also some graphical methods. Okay, graphical problems, what we studied is they are given equation. Is it right? In the problem they are given equation, we have to find out the solutions. Okay, solutions means, oh, what is the value of x and what is the value of y. Okay, we find out, okay, through the solution. But in this problem, what they are given, See the problem, everyone. Given the point 1 comma 2. Clear? 1 comma 2 is a solution actually. Okay, what is the value of x? What is the value of x? 1. And y value is 2. Okay, y value is 2. And see the next sentence. Find the equation of a line. Is it right? Find the equation of a line on which it lies. Okay, means this problem is exactly opposite to the previous one. Okay, they are given a point. We had to find out the equation. Okay, see here, we had to find out the equation. Find the equation of a line on which it lies. How to find out the equation? See, I'm going to solve. Here, their given point is 1 comma 2. Yes, this is the given point. With respect to this point, we have to find out the number of equations. Okay, number of equations. See, to find out the equations, there are 3 methods. Okay, 3 methods means, okay, in general, we had to use positive sign. Means between x and y. Okay, x and y, they are 2 variables. Okay, in this chapter we are studying linear equations in 2 variables. So that we have to use 2 variables x and y. Between x and y, we have to use positive symbol, or maybe negative symbol, or maybe into, or maybe divided by. Okay, you have to follow these. First, I am going to use positive sign. Clear? Positive sign. Simply, I am writing the equation x plus y is equal to, what is the value of RHS? Yes, anybody? X value, what is given? X value is 1 plus, I am writing plus. What is the y value is given? 2. Therefore, 1 plus 2 become 3. Finished. Clear? This is one linear equation. One solution is over. Next, which symbol you have to use?
Minus.
Yes, minus. Yes, anybody? Yes, anybody try?
1 minus 2.
No. You have to write in terms of variables. Okay, in the equations, you should be write always in terms of x and y. 2 variables should be present in the equation. Okay. Yes, anybody guess? Use negative symbol and you should be write the equation like this. Here,
X minus y.
here, okay, in the box,
Minus.
here there is a minus sign, that is equal to RHS. Yes, anybody? In this circle?
Y minus x.
Yes, here I am going to write. Wait.
Y minus x. Y minus
Y
x.
minus, this is
X.
y minus x become, what is the value of RHS? 1.
1.
Finished. Here, y value is 2 minus x value is 1. Therefore, y minus 1 y minus x. 2 minus 1 is 1. Therefore, this is second equation. Y minus x is equal to 11. Okay. Use multiply symbol, into symbol.
X into y is equal to
X into y, no. X into y become what? Okay. XY you are telling.
Sir.
XY is equal to?
Sir, 2.
Okay, finished. Right answer. XY is equal to 2. X value is 1. Y value is 2 is equal to 2. Finished. 3 equations. Enough. Okay, very simplified equations. For every problem also these equations are same. Only RHS value is changing. Clear? Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I shall give same problem. Okay, but values, the points may be changed. Okay, shall try it. Right? Okay, wait. See the problem once again. The point is given 1, 2. Find the equation of a line. Okay, we find out the 3 equations. X plus y is equal to 3. Y minus x is equal to 1. Xy is equal to 2. Finished. Next, they are given another one question. How many such equations are there? How many such equations? In this problem, we got only 3 equations. Is it right? Okay, we got only 3 solutions. But they are asking how many such equations are there. It is possible to find out how many solutions, how many equations for this point. We know that linear equations in 2 variables. Linear equations in 2 variables are infinitely
Many solutions.
many solutions.
Many solutions.
Yes, linear equations in 2 variables are infinitely many solutions. In the same way, for this point is also, for this point, it is possible to write infinitely number of equations. Clear? Infinite number of equations it's possible to write for this point. Okay, because linear equations in 2 variables, infinitely many solutions. At the same time, reverse case.
Can't hear you, sir.
Why? Okay. In the same time, for the given point, okay, for the given point, it's possible to write infinitely many solutions. At the end of the problem, write one sentence.
We can't hear you.
There are. Sir, ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.
Sir, we can't hear you. Sir, we can't hear you.
At the end of the problem, right? There are.
Sir, we can't hear you.
What is the problem? Okay, end of the problem, right? There are infinitely many linear equations. Infinitely many linear equations which are satisfied by the coordinates of the point 1, 2. There are infinitely many linear equations which are satisfied by the coordinates of the point 1, 2.
Definition of artificial kidney, you have to write in the slide it is there.
Kannika, Kirtana Naidu, switch on your video. Nivedita, Suhan, Sunita, Ananya. Okay. Yes, this is the problem. I think this is a 2-mark problem. Okay, right. The next one problem, similar problem. Right. Given the equations of 2 lines. Given the equations of 2 lines passing through 2, 14. passing through 2 comma 14 full stop. How many more such lines?
Sir, tell once more, sir, from first.
Okay. Wait.
Yes, sir. Something from
How many
tell once again.
how many more such solutions are there? And this is not required. Okay, I shall repeat. Given the equations of two lines passing through 2 comma 14. Okay, this is the given point. Two lines passing through 2 comma 14 full stop. How many more such lines are there? How many more such lines are there? Okay, this is the given problem. How many more such lines is nothing but what? Lines is nothing but equations.
Solution.
Here how many more such lines are there means how many more such equations are there. Okay, that is the meaning. Mind it. Okay, equation is nothing but line. Okay, they are given a point. This is the solution. Actually, we had to find out the equation of a line. Let's try once again. Similar to previous one, only value is changing. Try fast. Deepak.
Sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, what is the first equation?
16. X plus y is equals to 16.
Yes, 2 comma 14 is the given point. And what is the first equation? X
X plus y
is equals
X plus y is equal to 16.
16.
Okay. First equation. Next equation.
y minus x,
y minus is equals to 12.
Y minus x is equal to
12.
12. Okay. Next.
X into y is equals to 28.
X into y is equal to 28.
28.
Okay. 3 equations are over. Now I am going to write another one equation. Y
x divided by y.
Y by 2 is equal to Y by 2 become
7.
Y by 7 is equal to x. Shall I write like this? See, y by 7 is equal to x. What is the value of y? 14.
14.
Therefore, 14 by 7, that is equal to 2. This is another one equation. Okay, you can write any 3 solutions or any 2 solutions are enough. Okay, very easiest equations you can write. Okay, this is also equation. Y by 7 is equal to x. Therefore, at the end of the problem, write conclusion similar to previous one. Same conclusion. What we wrote in the last problem. Write it. There are infinitely many linear equations. Infinitely many linear equations which are satisfied by the coordinates. Satisfied by the coordinates of the point. What is the point? Yes, 2 comma 14.
14.
2 comma 14. Clear?
Sir.
Okay. Over.
Sir, do that once again.
Okay, I want to see problem, no? Otherwise conclusion.
Sir, problem.
problem. No? See here they are given the point, given the equations of two lines passing through 2, 14. Okay, 2, 14, it is a point which lies on two lines. How many more that? How many more such lines are there? Okay, how many more such lines are there? Means in this case we are going to find out the equation of a line. Equation of a line for the point 2, 14. Okay, how to find out? Here in the last problem I told very easiest equations. Okay, 2, 14 they are given means they are given x value and they are given y value. Okay, there are number of methods. There are 4 methods. Means in between the variables you have to use plus sign or minus sign or maybe into or maybe divided by. Okay, all are possible. But I am taking very easiest way. Therefore, x is the variable. I am taking plus sign plus y. Therefore, x plus y, x value plus y value, it become what? Here x value is 2 and y value it is 14. 14 plus 2, we have to add both. Therefore, we will get 16.
16.
Okay, we will get 16. One equation is over. Next method it is minus sign. Okay, you have to write minus sign. How to write minus sign? Here y minus x is equal to, what is the value of y? 14. Therefore 14 minus 2, it become 12. Otherwise you can write x minus y. What is the value of x? X value is 2 minus y value is 14. Therefore 2 minus 14 it is minus 12.
Minus
Right,
12.
minus 12. This is also right answer. Clear? So x minus y is equal to minus 12. Okay, this is also right equation. Next, multiplication. Multiply both the variables x and y. X into y. X is 2, y is 14. Therefore 14 into 2 become 28.
28.
Okay, finished. Okay, there are right only 2 equations or 3 equations, and another one equation y by 7 is equal to x. Clear? Now I am going to next type of problems. Okay, see, from the last class we studied they are given what they are given equations. Yes, they are given 2 equations. We had to find out solutions. Solutions means points. Is it right? We have to find out points. This is first method. But in previous two problems, what we studied, they are given solution. Solution means they are given a point. What we find out? What we find out? We find out equations. Is it right? We find out equations. And from graph problems, in graph problems, what they are given? Equations. Yes, they are given equations. By using these equations, what we find out in the first step during the graph? By using equation, what we find out first? What we find out? Using table. Yes, we find out the table. In table, what they are given? What we observe? We had to we got the values of x and y. Yes, we got the values of x and y. It means during the they are given equations. Okay, they are given equations. Therefore, we have to find out the solutions. By using these solutions, we draw the graph. Is it right? Okay. Any doubts regarding this concept? Okay.
No, sir.
Tanesh? Where is
No
Tarun?
doubt, sir. No doubt, sir.
Okay. See, I want to explain again. From the starting, they are given equations. Okay, in the problems, they are given equations. We find out the solutions. Solutions means points we find out, like 1, 2, 2, 3, like that. In the previous two problems, they are given solution. Solution means point is given. Therefore, we had to find out the equations. And also, they are given equations in the graph problems. We find out the solutions. By using these solutions, we find out the graph as we drawn the graph. But next problems are totally different. Okay, totally different. Means to understand next problems, you have to 100% in these three types of problems. Clear? You have to 100%. What they are given in the next problems, they are given equations. Is it right? They are given 4 equations. Next, graph is given. Clear? Graph is given, and also points are given. Points are given. You have to find out for a particular graph and also for particular points what is the correct equations, like 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 equations are there given. Clear? And they are given graph and also some points are given. For a particular this graph, which is the correct equation, we have to find out, okay, through the solution. Clear? Write the next problem. Right? For each of the graph given below, select the equation. We should not find out the equation. We should select the equation. Clear? They are already given the given equation. Select the equation whose graph it is. Whose graph it is. Vaishnavi, okay, write the problem. Whose graph it is from the choices given below. Suhan. Where is Suhan? Tanish. Tarun. Sunita. Who is Sunita? Sunita. Okay. Problem is over, no? For the given for each of the graph given below, select the equation whose graph it is from the choices given below. Okay, and 4 choices you should write. 4 equations. X plus y is equal to 0. Hey, some disturbance. X plus y is equal to 0. Second equation, y is equal to 2x. Y is equal to 2x. Third one, y is equal to x. Y is equal to 2x plus 1. Y is equal to 2x plus 1. Okay. X plus y is equal to 0, y is equal to 2x, y is equal to x, y is equal to 2x plus 1. And they are given graph. Graph also write. In your paper also write. Like this. Not in a graph sheet. Otherwise, if you have graph sheet means drawn in the graph sheet. No problem. Otherwise, roughly you can write. Roughly, no problem. Last 6 minutes is there. Okay, write fast. 1, 2, 3 along plus x axis, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, x dash. Write x and y axis. X and y axis, write it. And 1, 2, 3, mention.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Mention the points along x and y axis. X and y axis. Mention the points. And origin. At the origin, 0, 0, write it. 0, 0. Means 1 point is given. 0, 0 point is given. X value is 0, y value is 0. Next, 1, 2. The point 1, 2, where we should write? X value is 1. Clear, here 0. Next, x value is 1. Y value become 2 means 1, 2. This is the point. 1, 2, write it. In last class, I shown how to mark the points on a graph. Next, come to this point. Minus 1, minus 2. This is.
Sir, can't see, sir.
This is
Sir, can't
minus.
see clearly.
Minus 1, minus 2.
Sir, we are not able to see clearly here.
Sir, can't see.
Wait. Okay, write it. Mark the point minus 1, minus 2. Point right. Minus 1, minus 2, and draw the lines. Draw the line. And there is an arrow mark. Hey, who is that? Me too.
Sir, we can't see.
Sir, we can't see, sir. Sir, we can't see, sir.
Sir, we can't see, sir.
Okay,
Sir, we
mute
can't
it.
see, sir.
Mute it. Draw the lines. This is origin. 1, 2, 3. Enough. X axis. 1, 2, 3. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Clear? X axis?
Sir.
Okay. Y axis. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And this is y axis. Next, minus y axis. 1, 2, 3. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Like this. Therefore,
Sir,
y dash.
I have doubt, sir.
Yes.
Sir, I have doubt, sir.
Yes.
Sir, in the place of x and y, which number you have substituted, sir?
In place of?
X and y, which number?
Wait. That is our problem. Here 0, 0. They are given already. They are given the points 0, 0. 1, 2. 1, 2 means x value is 1. Y value is 1, 2. This is the point. 1, 2. Next, minus 1, minus 2. Minus 1 means x value. Minus 2 means 1, 2. This is the point. Minus 1, minus 2. And draw the straight line like this. Clear? Problem is over, no? Kirtana. Madan. Where is Madan? Okay. Problem over, no? Okay. Clear. See what they are given. they are given a graph. Yes, they are given a graph and number of equations are given. 4 equations are given. What is the first step you can do? You should be do it is, in the graph we are having 3 points. Yes, what are the 3 points? What are the 3 points on the graph? Oh, it's less than 1 minute.
0, 0.
Yes, 0, 0, 1, 2, -1, -2. Okay, write these 3 points. I think time is over. Okay, next class I will do it. Okay, don't worry. In the next class, another 3 problems are there. Okay, same problems. In tomorrow, no class, and day after tomorrow, Saturday, I will do it. Okay, okay, thank you.
Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Sir.